Hey everybody, welcome back to the Do Work LT. We are going to do a bit of an update video today from something I did like almost 10 years ago at this point. Before we get into that, I'd like you to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of new content. Let's get into this Smith & Wesson M&P. This is an OG first gen, just a standard M&P 9. Had a lot of work done to it by Bowie Tactical Concepts in Southern Ohio. Some phenomenal work. And that led me to do the first video, which was on the Duracoat shake and spray system. It's a really affordable way that you can put a coat on your firearm, and I got a lot of responses from that. I mean, we're at like 275,000 views or something like that, or whatever, and a ton of questions about how it's held up. So I wanted to share with you what it looks like, how it did, what it turned into. This gun has really changed even since I did the Duracoat video. So we'll get some up-close results after 10 years and thousands of draws and a lot of reps, so you can see what it's about. Maybe the Duracoat shake and spray system is a great thing that you'd like to give a try. All right, getting an up-close look at this M&P 9 done up by Bowie Tactical Concepts. So kind of a little bit about what the gun was and what the gun is now. When you last saw the video on the Duracoat shake and spray kit, this was freshly done. The edges had been kind of rounded out by Bowie, had the LX trigger installed in it, and that was pretty much where it was. Now we've since gone down the rabbit hole with an optic, and this is a Trijicon RMR 07. And this was my first venture into a dot gun, a red dot pistol. I worked on this one for about 2 years. So this has a lot of reps. But we are kind of leaning towards now more of the Holosun optics. We are working with a 507C and soon to be the 507K on some other pistols. But more about the finish, if you see. A lot of people wanted to know what this would look like after time and a lot of reps. So when you look at it, you can kind of see on the front corners, this is what we expect. I mean, this is a working gun. This is a gun that has thousands and thousands of reps. So you'll note that on the corners, get a bit of holster wear from presentations and reholstering. I mean, that's just what's going to happen. It's a gun. It's a tool. So taking a look around there, around the ejection port, you know, this gun has also been slammed against things to do clearances and all sorts of good work over the years. Rear corners, but most of it's held really well. The finish is done very well for the amount of work. Most people, I think under normal wear and normal conditions, it's probably going to look like it did the week you finished it. But this one, you can see even there in the scalloping that the people at Smith & Wesson put in it. Little there. I mean, this is a really tight view of it, so you're getting it really up close. But that's what it looks like after 10 years and thousands of rounds, thousands of draws, thousands of reholsters. I'm still very pleased with it. So you ask, why'd you do it? When I sent this gun off to, look at me bumping the camera like a dummy. Anyway, when I sent this gun off to Bowie to get done, and so much of the framework had to be done, obviously the finish was gone or ruined. So it came back to me just a stripped stainless steel slide. So it was going to be in some need of some coat. So that was the opportunity for me to really get into it and do this little project. I'm really pleased how it's held up over the years. I think it was necessary. I had to do it anyway, so it was kind of fun. But after 10 years, this is what the Duracoat Shake and Spray kit looks like if you've done any work at all. Tons of colors available in that kit, still very affordable. All you have to be able to do is strip down your full slide, take out all of the internals, mask it off, watch that first video, and you'll see how to do it. Super, super simple with great results. Generally speaking, still a really, really cool result. So, thanks for watching. Wanted to give the hundreds of people who've asked over the years that I was gone how this turned out, and here is your answer. Duracoat Shake and Spray, 10 years later. Do yourself a favor, give it a shot.